Kashmir has been put on high alert. Security arrangements have been tightened across Srinagar. Security personnel have been stationed at key points throughout the city, and vehicles are being thoroughly checked at multiple checkpoints. Remember, this year's celebrations hold additional significance as it marks the first Republic Day since the formation of an elected government following the abrogation of Jammu and Kashmir's special status in 2019.
Kashmir is on high alert ahead of the Republic Day. The security has been elaborately extended towards many of the spots, particularly in the venues where the functions are going to be held. And these security forces, they have eventually taken over the security measures all across multiple Naka points, the frisking points, search operations, cordons. They have been put in place to ensure the smooth conduct of the Republic Day function. In the Srinagar, the Deputy CM is going to unfurl the tricolor, and also in the Jammu, the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha is going to unfurl the tricolor. The Chief Minister of the Union Territory will be the chief guest of the occasion, and the security agencies have been put in place. Additional deployments have been put in place to ensure the smooth conduct of this event. Eventually, the top officials in the security establishment says that besides the elaborate security cover, the high-tech surveillances have been put in place to ensure the smooth going of this event. Besides the CCTVs, the drones and other systems have been put in place for the special functions that's been conducted at the Bakshi Stadium in the Srinagar and Ami Stadium in the Jammu. Now remember that this will be the first Republic Day in the Kashmir Valley after the formation of new government in the Jammu and Kashmir, and eventually many of the things have been put in place. The general public have been asked that there will be no passes required for the functions of the Republic Day anywhere. So this will eventually boost the more participants of the locals in the Kashmir Valley, but somewhere from the line of control to the international borders and along the 20th districts of the Kashmir Valley, so as in the Jammu, the security is on high alert, and the officials, they are monitoring bit to bit ground situations for the special day on the Republic Eve.
All right, before we